the Center for Manufacturing Advancement, or CMA as we refer to it. This is our opportunity to help manufacturers in the region, in the state, and even beyond optimize manufacturing processes. So we do that through a couple of different ways. We have a CNC Innovation Center that includes a number of pieces of equipment focused on helping manufacturers introduce production-ready technologies into their processes. We have a full suite of metrology equipment as well, and an ISO-certified metrology lab. So that serves as a service for manufacturers located in the region for when they're in that initial setup phase, they're looking to have some part inspected. And we also do robotics and Industry 4.0 integration. So we have a full lab that has fixed robots, collaborative robots on carts, integrated with CNC machines, as well as inspection equipment. As we know, the job market is very tight, really across the world. So here in the Danville region, we can help solve that by investments that have been made specifically dedicated to workforce. We have a very robust workforce that starts in the 6th grade all the way through engineering level, bachelor's degree in manufacturing engineering technology, and really every step along the way. FasTech's on the leading edge of technology, so they serve as a technical advisor in our integrated machine and technology program, which is our highest level of machining program. That helps us make sure that the training that we are providing is calibrated to what a company of FasTech's prestige is really expecting out of us. FasTech moved into the region and immediately became an employer of choice. So for us, that's a huge recruitment tool. If students know, hey, if I go seek this additional training, get these extra skill sets, I have a fantastic job waiting on the other end. That makes our jobs as educators for recruiting much easier. We train the workforce to the newest technology, newest equipment, and industry expectations, so they're ready for the jobs not just that exist today, but the jobs that will exist in the future as technology continues to grow.